A passport has become a product. Citizenship can be legally bought for money directly from the government. Why would you do that? Visa-free traveling, a plan B, and the opportunity to optimize your tax liabilities. Hello everybody, my name is Anatoly Letaev. I am the founder of Migronis. In this video, I am going to tell you how to choose the right citizenship by investment program in the Caribbean. Many of you don't know yet that a passport can be legally bought for money. But this is true, and this is not a new practice. Earlier, it seemed to be illegal. You could attain it using complicated schemes or by living in the country for a long time. Nowadays, it is commonplace for people who have at least $1 million. The industry has grown in popularity thanks to the Caribbean citizenship programs. I'm not sure whether you are familiar with these names if you've come across this topic for the first time. There are 5 Caribbean countries that sell their passports for money. St. Kitts and Nevis, their program was launched back in 1984. Dominica in 1993. Grenada, St. Lucia, and Antigua and Barbuda, which you can see behind me. To obtain a citizenship, you don't have to go to the islands. All the procedures can be finalized remotely. But as far as for the Antigua CBI program, you need to spend 5 days here during the first 5 years. Despite that, I decided to visit all 5 islands, and I'm going to give you some more details about each of them. We will also touch on some of the key issues, the most important aspects of each of the passport programs. First of all, what kind of countries are these, and why do they sell citizenship? St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua and Barbuda, St. Lucia, Grenada, and Dominica. All these countries are former British colonies but are now sovereign nations. Their passports are in high demand due to visa-free agreements with the UK and members of the EU. Who buys these passports? First and foremost, citizens of China, the Middle East, Africa. For them, it's a plan B, to be able to travel without visa restrictions. Some are looking to emigrate and change their tax residency. These passports are also purchased by Americans due to the tax benefits. How much does a Caribbean passport cost? Dominica and St. Lucia offer the most inexpensive options. Their citizenship costs from $100,000. This sum of money has to be donated to the fund. Also, there are additional fees of $20,000 to $30,000 to be paid to cover services, due diligence procedures, and other expenses. The second option is real estate investment. In this case, you can buy a fully commissioned property in the Caribbean or invest in one still under construction. The investment should be over $200,000, and the real estate cannot be resold until 5 years after the purchase. After that, you're free to sell the property and keep your citizenship. What's more, whoever buys the property from you will also be entitled to a passport. Additional expenses can amount to $50,000 to $70,000. This sum is non-refundable. The cost of citizenship depends on how many family members are applying along with the main applicant. Apart from that, the government occasionally changes the amount of investment required as well as the amount of fees. That is why we've created an online calculator for all passport programs so that you can have access to the most up-to-date information and make calculations for your family's case. Just follow the link in the description. You'll also find a whole range of filters to help you choose the program. Another important factor when choosing a passport program is the application processing time. On average, if we talk about all programs, it can take from 3 to 5 months. But there are cases when the CBI application process takes from 12 months to a year and a half. And it depends on the client, how quickly he provides all the papers, and how well the program is being run at that specific moment. What do I mean exactly? Sometimes the government makes special offers, reduces the cost, and gives some discounts limited in time. As usual, during that period, the number of applications tends to increase. If the citizenship agency handling the applications is not able to keep up with the high demand, the processing period may be extended. The next issue is in regards to visa waiver countries. All 5 Caribbean programs are equal when it comes to the visa-free travel regime. You can go to the UK without a visa and stay there for 6 months out of the year. Also, you can travel visa-free to the countries of the Schengen zone and stay there for 90 days within a 6-month period. Only Grenada allows for visa-free entry to China, and individuals holding the Grenadian passport can obtain the E2 US visa, a special kind of business integration in America. Unfortunately, citizens of China, India, Brazil, and many other countries are not eligible for this type of visa, so the Grenadian passport is a good workaround for this purpose. The next issue is island visits. Only Antigua and Barbuda require that you spend at least 5 days during a period of 5 calendar years after having obtained citizenship. The other 4 countries offering citizenship by investment do not require any visits at all, neither during the application process nor afterwards. All paperwork is processed remotely through the licensed agents listed on the website of each particular program. Another important factor is collecting additional documents such as a driver's license, registration address, and other papers that might be required to open an account in a foreign bank. Unlike the passport programs where all the procedures are transparent and detailed, the process of receiving additional documents is specific to each island and the application period can differ. Therefore, when you decide to apply for a program, if you are concerned regarding this issue, discuss this question with your licensed agent. In this video, I covered the main criteria for selecting Caribbean CBI programs, different family compositions, the choice between real estate investing or contributing to governmental funds, and many others. Since we covered so much, I recommend that you follow the link in the description box and use our filters and online calculator for the programs. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments and subscribe to our channel.